Reasoning is a cornerstone of human cognition, enabling us to draw conclusions, make predictions, and solve problems. It encompasses various methods of thinking, with inductive and deductive reasoning being two fundamental approaches. Recent research has provided deeper insights into these reasoning types and their application in both human thought and artificial intelligence. Hi guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, we'll explore inductive and deductive reasoning. If you like the content of this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to this channel. It really helps me out. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you're notified when the next video comes out. So let's get into it. Inductive reasoning, from specific observations to general conclusions. Inductive reasoning involves drawing general conclusions from specific observations or instances. It's a bottom-up approach where patterns identified in particular cases lead to broader generalizations. Imagine noticing that the sun has risen in the east every morning of your life. Based on this pattern, you can conclude that the sun always rises in the east. While this conclusion is likely true, it's based on observed patterns rather than absolute proof. In a study examining pet behaviors during work-from-home periods, researchers surveyed pet owners and found that many pets became more clingy and agitated. From these specific observations, they inferred that remote work influences pet behavior. Large language models, or LLMs, like GPT-4, have demonstrated strong inductive reasoning abilities. They can identify patterns from data and make generalizations, such as predicting the next word in a sentence based on previous text. Deductive reasoning, from general principles to specific conclusions. Deductive reasoning starts with general premises and derives specific conclusions that logically follow. It's a top-down approach where the truth of the conclusion is guaranteed if the premises are true. Let's look at an example. Premise 1. All mammals are warm-blooded. Premise 2. Dolphins are mammals. Conclusion. Dolphins are warm-blooded. This logical structure ensures that if the premises are true, the conclusion must also be true. In scientific studies, researchers often use deductive reasoning to test hypotheses. For instance, if a theory suggests that a specific drug reduces blood pressure and a study confirms this effect in patients, the conclusions support the theory. While LLMs like GPT-4 excel at inductive tasks, they face challenges with deductive reasoning, especially when applying strict logical rules. Recent studies indicate that these models can mimic deductive reasoning to some extent but may struggle with tasks requiring rigorous logical consistency. So let's compare inductive and deductive reasoning. Inductive reasoning is a bottom-up approach, while deductive reasoning is a top-down approach. The basis for inductive reasoning is specific observations, while that for deductive reasoning is general premises. Conclusion certainty in inductive reasoning is probable, while in deductive reasoning it is certain if the premises are true. Inductive reasoning is commonly used for hypothesis generation and exploratory research, while deductive reasoning is commonly used for hypothesis testing and formal proofs. Let's look at an example to distinguish between inductive and deductive reasoning. Observing that swans are white and concluding that all swans are white is inductive reasoning, while knowing all swans are birds and that birds have feathers, concluding swans have feathers is deductive reasoning. In conclusion, understanding the distinction between inductive and deductive reasoning enhances our critical thinking skills and informs how we interpret information. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, insights into these reasoning processes not only advance AI capabilities, but also deepen our comprehension of human cognition. So that's it for this video. If you're looking for quality mental health worksheets and resources, please visit my website. The link is provided in the description box below. Once again, if you like the content of this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you're up to date on all our videos. As always, thanks for watching.